I'm super excited because this is a true unboxing. I went and bought this at the Louis Vuitton store, and I just opened it just to make sure that that was the item in the box before I came home, and I did not use it. I haven't looked at it. I haven't even held it, and I am super excited, and I just can't wait to like touch it, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so I have nothing like this in my collection yet, and I don't know if I'm gonna put in the title what this is, just so like y'all can be like surprised with me. But anyway, this is the box. I mean the bag. Okay. This is the receipt card. I don't know why people show that, but here's the receipt. I'm so excited. I washed my hands first, and here's the box with the little thing in the little drawer, and the dust bag. So excited. Oh man. Yes. It's so pretty. Let's see what this is called. It is called the empreinte noir. I have no idea what this is called. I don't know. But it's all leather. Let's smell it. Oh man, I'm so excited. Oh, it's made in Spain. Oh my god. Just like, this is like awesome. It smells so good. Oh, I'm so happy. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I'm sweating. Like, I'm so happy right now. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm guessing it's like a card holder, but since I have my my favorite it's kind of a smaller bag, so I needed like a wallet, and this is just perfect. Like, I thought it was gonna be small. Oh, and here's the little cards. I swear. Okay, maybe this has what it's called. Not, it just says empreinte leather vesti. I don't know, but here's the little number. Y'all, I'm so excited. It says, the little card says, outside and inside calf leather. Oh, it is just so pretty. I'm so happy. I can't give you a review or anything about it, but I guess I can just show you a little bit. Like, there's like that side, and then that side. And then inside, I mean, it has like Louis Vuitton on this part right here. And then it says Louis Vuitton Paris in there. And then it has a little button. And I'm guessing this is one piece of canvas. Yeah, I think it's one piece because they're like upside down on this side. So I'm guessing it's one piece. Actually, it's leather. It's not canvas. It's leather. And then it has like a pocket right here. And then another pocket right here. So it's like two pockets. So awesome. I'm so happy. And like, I'm shaking. Like, this is like so pretty. Like, I need to leave can y'all see that better? Yeah. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. Even the inside, like right here, has the imprinting, and this is more like of a pebble leather. And it smells so good. Okay, thanks y'all for watching. I'm gonna go put something in here, I guess. Like my money, my cards. Oh, it's just perfect. Like, I mean, look how big it is. It's like all of my hand. Like, it's a pretty good size. Okay, thanks. I'm rambling now. Bye.